makeup love. Dead beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Dead beauty. Looking good and looking nice.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. Hey my people. Okay, today I want to show you guys how I achieve this Sego V front double side fan. Guys, this material is called Sego. Sego is not like Ashoke. And we have different type of Sego. And this particular Sego, this one is the hard and very strong. So I don't want to do just one side fan. I'm going to create double side fan, and the front side will be V. I'm going to create the V shape. Okay guys, let's get started. So if you want to do V, first you create like a 5 to 6 pleating at the front. You cover one part of the ear, you open one part of the ear for you to achieve that V front. Okay, so right now I'm trying to extend it to the other side. You can see the other side of the ear is open down, and I divide this. The length, the measurement of the length is I divide it 40 60. The shorter one is the 40, which I am working on now. So the 40 always go up. At the back side, if you want to cross it, always take the shorter one up, take the longer one down. Then that is what we are doing now, guys. The shorter one goes up, the longer one goes down. Okay, let's continue. Please guys, in case today is the first time you come across me, my name is Deck Beauty. Yes, so I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on YouTube, I'm on TikTok. No, I'm on TikTok. Yes, I'm on TikTok, though I don't do uploads on YouTube, on TikTok. There are a few of my videos there on TikTok, but I'm everywhere, guys. Please try and follow me on my social media. But the place I normally have my phone is Facebook, live on Facebook. I like Facebook, my people. In case you never follow me for my Facebook, follow me for my Facebook. I like it because I always do. Anytime I have chance, I do live on Facebook, sitting down there, just be talking, creating style, how to apply makeup, how to tie gele on your head by yourself. Yes, so follow me on my Facebook. I have 2 Facebook. One is Deck Beauty. The new Facebook is Deck Beauty Life. That is just my new backup page, Facebook. Okay, so I'm working on the 40 now. So guys, focus your eyes. See the way I'm going to create this both side fan. The 40, which is the shortest, I just use it to, after creating 5 to 6 pleats. So for me to pin it down, I just use the one I supposed to pin down, the one I supposed to flat down. I use that part to create a little bit fan there on this side. Then now I will use pin to protect that place for me not to lose what I have already achieved. Guys, please be patient with me, because as I'm talking now, I'm just watching our Queen Elizabeth's burial ceremony. So my eyes is just on the different places. Okay, our Queen Elizabeth burial is going on now. I'm just watching the ceremony. So I say, let me drop this video for my people. Please, my YouTube people, try and leave your comment for me and like Facebook, in case you are watching me, like and leave your comment for me as well. Okay, in case you want to know how to apply makeup on your face by yourself, I have videos, and they are on my YouTube channel. I titled them episode by episode with explanation. Very soon I want to upload one face video with explanation. The recent video I made last week, very soon I will try and edit so that I can do the upload. Before this week runs out. I will try and do the upload. Okay, now we are now working on the 60. So in case you like big fan, so that is what I'm doing now. Just start creating your fan. But if you like very small fan, before you create fan, try and do more pretty, like round, so that your fan will be so small. So because I want to do this fan big, I just start creating my fan. Guys, this Ashoke, this Sego Gele is the strong one. Okay, we are trying to create the double side fan. Just focus your eye. You achieve one or two things. Okay, my people. In case you don't like this style, I have a lot of different style. My people, I get different style for my YouTube channel and on my Facebook as well. Go and check them out and rock them. I have different style. The style that you can achieve on your head by yourself. Simple styles are there. Difficult styles are there. Different style, my people, they are there on my YouTube channel. Go and check me out. Just take your time and check the videos. You will see different styles are there. Yes, so right now I just twist that place. I will twist it to the back side. I tell my model to hold it for me. My beautiful sister. Yes, so she's a YouTuber as well. Her name on YouTube is Joy and Family. Joy and Family. Yes, Joy and Family. Yes, her name on YouTube is Joy and Family. She's into cooking and vlog. So please, guys, try and check her arts. Check her arts, my people, and try and subscribe to her channel as well. Okay, my people, as you can see what I'm doing there, I just try to create like another extra fan there. Then I will use some pin to protect that place. This video, we record this video, it's almost 2 months now. No, inside June, yes. No, July. I have this video since 2 months. That day, the heat was too much. I was feeling a lot of heat. So that is the reason I just wear my handless. And I don't like wearing handless. Okay, my people. That is it, my people. We are almost at the end. So, thank you. Don't forget to leave your comment down for me. Okay, I'm just trying to do my best to make sure to come up with a nice style. So by the time you do the plaiting, the fine, just check around, and if there's anywhere that need pin, put pin. Do more setting. Anything Gele, setting, needs setting. Set until you get what you want. Continue to set. That is what I am doing there now. I'm just trying to set up to give her that nice shape of the double side fan. If you want to do double side fan, the normal is there's a way we divide it. Because this one, I said let me do V front. So because of that V front, that is the reason I'm just trying to come up with another pattern. Okay, oh my people, thank you everyone. This is the final. Thank you. In case you want to buy makeup products, I sell makeup product as well, and I sell oil perfume. I will post it to you wherever you are. If you have events, contact me. We are into makeup, Gele, and we do the traditional bridal hair or kuku. If you want my service, I'm available to travel all over the world, my people. Contact me. I will be there with you to give it to you what you want. We give it to our customer the way they want it. Thank you, guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Bye.
Woo, Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we got that beauty right. Yeah, don't give it that touch, don't give it that. Don't give it that feeling to make you feel lovely. Yeah.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. That beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
That